Hi guys, my name is Irsa and I am good girl. Nice to meet you guys. I am nice girl. My birthday date is 11 March 2030. My favorite fruit is banana. My favorite color is purple. My favorite vegetable is carrot. My favorite season is spring. My favorite day is Saturday. My favorite animal is rabbit. My favorite thing is drawing. I am YouTuber. My channel name is Irsa Drawing World. My timetable is the exercise, drawing, eat, sleep, work, dance, sing, family time, friend time, study time. My favorite country is South Korea and Thailand, but my country name is Pakistan. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite language is English. English is best. English is best. My favorite time is 7 o'clock a.m., 8 o'clock a.m. and half past 5 p.m. and half past 7 p.m. What is your favorite language? My favorite language is English. I am artist and I am army and Blikan. If my favorite time is 7 o'clock a.m., 8 o'clock a.m. and half past 5 p.m. Half past 7 p.m. I have two sisters. My sister name is Tabinda, 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 and Huria, Hooria. Huria. I am a student. I read in class 6. My drawing is best drawing. What is your skin color? My skin color is light brown. It is. Thank you friends for watching.